Imagine eating an eyeball. It might make you shiver with disgust or excitement. If you belong to the second category, you'll be thrilled to hear that people enjoy snacking on eyeballs all over the world. From Iceland to Russia and all over Asia, eyeballs have a place in many cuisines. Disgust is something we learn, and it has very little to do with taste. It's a response meant to keep us from eating foods that could cause us harm. But what might seem harmful to one culture is delicious to another. And that's why some people eat eyeballs. Today, we're checking out some of the best and worst ways to chow down on eyeballs. This is the best way to eat eyeballs. Tuna eyes. Tuna are massive, and they have equally giant eyeballs. Some grow to the size of a tennis ball. In Japan, people enjoy them as an appetizer. Chefs marinate the eyes in mirin and soy sauce or sauté them in sesame oil. The outside of the eyeball or sclera is very chewy when cooked, so diners suck out the juice inside it. Tuna eyes taste a little like squid or hard-boiled eggs. Svið. During a midwinter festival in Iceland, people celebrate by eating a traditional dish called Svið. We won't beat around the bush. Svið is a calf's head cut in half with the brain taken out. The fur is singed off and the head is boiled with the eyeballs still inside. It's usually served with mashed potatoes or turnips, and it's delicious. The eye is the best part, of course, and it's considered a delicacy by the locals. Ukha. Since the 11th century, Russians have enjoyed hearty, steaming bowls of ukha. It's a clear soup made by boiling small river fish with carrots, potatoes, spices, and herbs. The entire fish is used, including the eyes and tail. Ivan the Terrible was said to eat ukha every single day. Stargazy Pie. Stargazy Pie is a fish pie from Cornwall, and it's legendary to those in the know. It has a flaky crust filled with white cream sauce and different kinds of whole fish, with their heads arranged so they poke out of the top with their eyes gazing at the sky. Well, that's kind of poetic. The fish inside can range from haddock to whiting to mackerel, but there must always be sardines or pilchards in a true Stargazy pie. Cow eyes. Cow eyes are used in all kinds of ways worldwide. Armenians make kash, a hearty soup that includes the cow's heads and hooves simmered all night long. In Colombia, a traditional soup is made from cow eyes, onions, and carrots. People believe it helps women with fertility issues. I see. And in the Faro Bar in Tasmania, you can order a margarita blackened with charcoal powder and garnished with a bullseye inside an ice cube. But they don't recommend eating the eyeball. Just FYI. Whether they're in a soup or encased in ice, if you're hungry for eyeballs, people all over the world are ready to serve them to you. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you're up for another unusual food adventure, check out our video on this parasitic fungus with a very naughty name. It's next on Origins of Food.